Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can create a fake conversation online on your PC like a WhatsApp conversation with your friend to have fun. For this you have to go to a website which is named as fakewhatsapp.com and you have to click on generator. You can easily change the name into your friend's name so that you can easily type that friend's name, as you can see in the video. You can easily type the name of that friend, and you can also even upload the picture of your friend whom you want to create a fake conversation with. Like, as you can see in the video, you can even change the network operator and also change the online and offline status. Similarly, you can easily change battery options, Wi-Fi or cellular connections, and also Wi-Fi connection and connection strength. For example, if you send a message or received a message by a friend, then you can set the gray bubble on so that it will be message from your friend, as you can see in the video. And if you want to reply to that one of your friend, you can easily click on green bubble, then it will show you a green bubble that will be your reply to your friend as a fake conversation. Moreover, you can easily type message timestamp. In previously I have forgot to mention the timestamps. As you can see in the video, you can easily create a timestamp for that particular message sent or received. Moreover, you can set the condition for message sent, message status, which is sent, deliver or read. And after clicking on add to conversation, you can easily add all that conversation into your fake conversation image. Moreover, you can type the message which one you want to show will be on written status in the image. Like you can see in the video, as I have typed the message and click on add to conversation, it has added to that picture. Moreover, you can send the picture and show it as your fake conversation part, as you can see in the video. Moreover, you can click on message so that it will show a message which is in the typing section, which will be shown in your image, as you can see in the video. And if you want to download that fake conversation image, you have to scroll down and click on download image, as you can see in the video. If you click on download image, all this image will be converted to PNG or JPG file. After that, you can easily save it by clicking right click and saving it as save as. As you can see in the video. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.